In this tutorial, you'll learn how to measure basic distances and areas in Bluebeam Revu. We're not pricing, estimating, or exporting yet, just learning how to read scale and extract quantities correctly, which is the foundation of every takeoff. Step 1. Set the drawing scale. Before measuring anything, we must confirm the scale. If the scale is wrong, every measurement will be wrong. Steps. Open the PDF drawing. Go to the drawing page of interest using the navigation bar. Look at the title block or scale note. Go to Measure, then Calibrate. Click two known points on the drawing, e.g. grid line to grid line. Enter the known distance and units, feet or inches. Click OK. Once calibrated, Bluebeam remembers this scale for the page. Step 2. Measure distances. Select the length tool, ruler icon. Click the start point, then the end point. Read the measurement displayed on screen. Tips. Hold Shift to lock to straight lines. Zoom in for accuracy. Use snap points, corners, intersections when possible. Step 3. Measure areas, area tool. Area measurements are used for things like rooms, slabs, and floors. Steps. Select the area tool. Click around the perimeter of the space. Double-click to close the shape. Bluebeam automatically calculates the area. Tips. Trace inside face of walls unless instructed otherwise. Use zoom and pan while tracing. Accuracy matters. If you make a mistake, press ESC and start over.